Welcome back, traders, to another video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do. I've realized that 90% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do. Also, follow me on Instagram. I post daily updates on trading and I have a ton of content on there as well. And if you want a free forex course, make sure you check out the link in my description. I just made it. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. If you're watching this right now, I'm going to give you a code for my program that's going to give you 25% off instead of 15% off. This is only valid for this video, so if you're here watching this, sign up as soon as you can. Go to rorfx.com. There is a link in the description. And once you go to sign up and get started, you guys are going to type in right here where it says add promo code FX4. Look at that. It's going to give you 25% off. Now, I'm not going to lie today. I'm not going to lie, guys. Today was a very clean day in the markets. I actually did take a position before the market opened, and I kind of like doing that. And wow, oh, that setup right there on the charts is literally my ideal perfect setup. Rejection of the 20 moving average, shooting star candle, and an immediate drop following it. So I'm going to break down everything that's going on right here in the trade that I took, but I actually did start trading. I think I took a trade at 6:20 a.m., so 10 minutes before the market opened, and there are days where I just see the market is flowing perfectly, and I know that once the market opens up, it's just going to keep riding that momentum that it's already in. So I saw that we are already in a downtrend, and I did look at the 1 hour chart, and I saw this candle from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. I was like, do you know what? That is a bearish candle. We already did form a lower high right here. So I think when the market opens, it's just going to push that momentum right back down to the downside. And that's exactly what happened. So I did take a trade right here on this candle is where I entered. So this is my initial setup that I took. Okay. Nope, that's not it. Hold on, guys. Let me get it correct. Okay. Was it? Yeah, it was this one right here. Yeah, it was. A little confused for a sec. Okay, so that's 615 to 620. Here's the 620. That's when I decided to take a short. I actually did enter right in here because I had a sell limit or a sell stop right there. And then I did have my stops right above this high right here. I was going to go all the way up here, but I didn't think that was necessary. I didn't think it was going to retest it. And then, of course, I did target my golden zone right here. This is my golden zone. So let me tell you guys that the price levels do look a little bit different on my MetaTrader 4. I'm looking at it right here. And I'm like, do you know what? The prices do look a little bit different compared to TradingView. So if it is off for a second or like a couple pips, just know that it did hit my TP. And I hit it. I knew it hit my TP because I watched the whole thing happen. So I went into a sell, started to drop. I was like, all right, cool, we're in profit. Probably not going to do too much. And then boom, the market opened. I knew when the market opened right here that it was only going to push it down even more. So that was a trade that I took today. Very, very textbook, very simple trade that I took. And I want to show you guys the actual setup on the minute 15 so you guys can see that as well. Once again, we had that minute 15 candle from 6:15 to 6:30. Bearish as well. So I knew that this was going to be a nice trade. So once I went short right there, boom, just rode it down to that psychological level right there. And then I smacked it perfectly. And if you guys do want my psychological levels, take a screenshot right now. These are all my psychological levels, so you guys can take a screenshot. Okay, you guys should have all those levels now. And even looking back at the minute 15, it was just so perfect. There's that market, there's that fake out of the market, grabbed everyone, made everyone go short. Everyone's like, it's going up, buy it right now. And of course, all the retail traders, a lot of you probably have FOMO and you're like, oh my gosh, it's going up. I'm not going to miss this trade. I only get 3 million trades per day. I have to take every 3 million of them. Also, guys, stop taking so many trades a day. For real. Stop. Just stop. Stop, for real. So here's the market breakout or the false breakout. made everyone go long, did a liquidity sweep, so it trapped all these people to go long, and all these people are now negative and lost right now. And they're like, I thought it was going up. I thought it was going up. It's like, nah, you were impatient. You had fear of missing out when there's nothing to even miss out on. And now all these people are negative. Their accounts are about to be blown because no retail trader knows how to use proper risk. And it's just a never-ending cycle for them. So if you are one of those people, sign up for my program so I can help you avoid doing all that stuff. And if you don't have any money, that's fine. Click the link in my bio. I made a free training for you guys. Okay? So did that liquidity sweep. Now it's short. The bias for the rest of the day is most likely going to go short. I think that it's probably going to go down to this low right here. So the market should just keep going down right to there. That's where I think price is going to go to next. I want to show you guys a 5-minute too. This setup that was so perfect. Literally right here, the shooting star. We're in a downtrend, like I said. So this is a lower high right here. We have a lower low and a lower high, then we're forming a new lower low. Obviously this candle right here is messing around a little bit, but we do have 2 minutes and 50 seconds left, so we do have a wick already forming on that. So maybe that's telling us, like, do you know what, it was pushing up but it's done doing that. For the last half of the candle, it's going to really start to push down. So like I told you guys, trading also is all about timing. So if you're on the right side of the market at the right time, that's when you're really going to be able to get good trades. And one thing that I do when I'm trading too is there's this ticker right here. I wait till that ticker has about 10 seconds left before I enter a trade, because guys, anything can happen in 5 minutes, anything can happen in 2 minutes, anything can happen in 1 minute and even 30 seconds. So that's where you guys have to kind of sit back and be like, do you know what? I know this trade looks perfect right now. That candle is closing exactly how I want, but imagine if we entered when that candle was all the way down here. And we're like, do you know what? For a second, it was looking super bearish. It had a long wick, but now it's all the way back at the top of the wick. See? And that's why we're patient, guys, because you could have taken a trade right there and you're like, do you know what? It's going to drop. And then it's like, nah, well, you still have some time left on the ticker. So that's why I wait for the ticker to have about 10 seconds left. And I wait to see that perfect reversal setup occur. And once I see it, then I'm like, all right, here's my confirmation. Let's take this trade. Boom. And then I take it. So always be cognizant of that. Always make sure that the candle has expired before you enter it. That's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are getting sauce and you guys are learning more about trading through all my videos. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and also go back to my older videos. I have so many I have all these other videos that I've been posting lately. As you guys can see, these are all about US30. All about US30, and I've been posting consistently since this month. So all these videos from this one are all new up-to-date information. All US30. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.